Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show you how you can use AI tools in your editing of your photos. They are not so perfect, but they help you to do it more fastly, and you can get a better result in the short time. And nowadays, every social media are talking about AI tools, and in the photography, in video, in animation, in music. And in this series videos, I want to show you AI tools that's used for photography. And I show you some sites that with AI tools, they are working for photography. The first site that I want to introduce you is, as you see, the address of the site is here, removal.ai. And I put the address in the description so you can go to this site more easily. And this site with AI tools help you to remove your background. For example, you take a photo to many products and you want to remove the backgrounds so fast, and it gets many times, several times that you remove the background. So these AI tools and this site help you to remove the backgrounds so easily. So for starting, you come here and you choose your photo, or you can drag or drop your image. I choose my photo, and then I wait to this processing done. Okay, new page open for me, and as you see, the background is going to remove. Okay, here you are, the background removed so easily. And here is the original, and here is the removed background. If you, for example, if you don't like, because I said that the AI tools have some problems, and still they are not like a human manual editor. So if you want to hire someone to do this, for example, you don't like your editing, or you want to hire someone to do it manual, you can click here and hire manual editor, and they take for example, for one photo $3, three photo $5, and something like that, and you can order and hire someone to edit your photos. And for me, if it's okay, I can download the photo, and here is my photo in PNG file, and so it's PNG, so it's the background removed, and I can use it in any other part that I want. And it's the first site of the these series videos that work with the AI tools, and you can remove your background so easily. Okay, subscribe me for the next videos. I will introduce you all website that work with the AI tools and help us in just photography. Thank you so much. Until next video.